Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Thank you for your support. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified as and when I upload the video. So today I'm making the stew, which is a very popular dish in Kerala. You can add in the vegetables of your choice and make it a vegetable stew. But today I'm making a potato and onion stew. This is very simple to make and it is normally served along with Vellai Appam, Idiyappam, Dosa or Puttu. So let's get started. Into a pan, we'll add 1 teaspoon oil. Just 1 teaspoon. We'll add in 1-inch cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom. We'll now add in the onion, finely chopped onion, some garlic, about 1 clove, some green chilli according to your taste, and some finely chopped ginger. We'll just saute this for about a minute. Now we'll add in potatoes. I've taken 2 potatoes. We'll add in enough water to cook the potatoes. We'll add in some turmeric powder, some chilli powder, some coriander powder. Now we'll cook this until the potatoes are done. The potatoes are almost cooked. It's about 95% done. Now we'll add in 1 cup of thick coconut milk. I'll use a ready-made powder. We'll just wait for this to come to a boil. The stew has come to a boil. Now we'll add in the salt and some curry leaves. The delicious potato stew is ready. The reason why I added the salt in the end was because sometimes the coconut milk might just curdle. So to avoid that, I'm adding it in the end. You can serve this with Idiyappam, Vellai Appam, with Dosa. It's simply delicious. We can transfer this into a bowl now.